One kiss is love with me, possibility like all you need. One kiss is all it takes, possibilities.
Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Guys, today we will learn about this trending viral reel which you have seen in the preview. If you want to edit this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, to make this video you need VN application which is easily found on your Play Store. So guys, first install the VN app. After that, when you will open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, to edit this trend you need one text template as you seen in the preview and 12 photos of yourself. Text template is given on my Telegram channel. Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first download that text template. After that, you have to click on the plus icon on here to import the text template and 12 photos. Okay, then click on the new project option and select the text template which you have downloaded from Telegram and 12 photos of yourself from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. Okay, you can see you have to take like this. Now guys, first you delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. Okay, now guys, you will add the music on here. Music link also given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. Okay, so guys, first to download the reel video. After that, you have to click on the plus icon on here to extract the music. Okay, and click the music option. Then click on the plus icon on here and click the extract from video option. Now guys, have to take this reel which you have downloaded from Telegram and have to OK from here. Then guys, you will click on the choose option and have to done from here. In this way, music will be added. Now guys, we will trim the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos. After that, I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay guys, as you seen how to trim the photos, then now note the photos durations. So guys, you have to keep the same duration of all photos which is 0.40 second. Okay, only last photo duration you will keep till the end of music and duration will be about 1.47 second. Then guys, we will apply the effects on the all photos. To apply the effects, come to the first photo and click on the effects option and here you will get digital effects. Select this effects and duration will keep for 0.25 second like this. Okay, now guys, click on the apply to all option and this effects applied on the all photos. Now guys, come to the text timeline. Okay, and click on the effects option and remove this effects from this text template. So guys, to remove this effects, have to none from here. Okay, and have to done from here and effects will be removed from text template. Okay guys, now your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Then guys, click on the save to album option and video will be saved. In this way guys, you can make this video very easily. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.